What does a realtor do? And should you really hire one? Let's get into it. Welcome back, you guys, to another video. And in this video, we are going to answer the question, what does a realtor actually do? Is it just listing homes, opening doors, helping buyers get into a house, smiling at the table come closing time? What do realtors really do? Is there more behind the scenes that real estate agents actually do? The goal of this video is, if you plan to buy a house or you plan to sell, hopefully it can help you narrow down if you want to hire a real estate agent or if you don't want to hire a real estate agent. So let's get into it. Okay, so a realtor is a licensed agent who is also a member of the National Association of Realtors, and they follow a specific code of ethics. It's like the difference between a general doctor and a board certified doctor. Extra training, extra accountability, and holds up to a higher standard. So now, if you're buying a home, your realtor is your matchmaker, okay? Your tour guide, negotiator, paper pusher, all in one. Help you find the best home based on your budget and your needs. Set up private showings. We pull up neighborhood comps. Pretty much we make comparisons between homes that were sold in that neighborhood or homes that were bought in that neighborhood. We give you a visual of what exactly is going on in the market when I say we pull up comps. We recommend trusted lenders, trusted inspectors, but I always say it's okay to go with your own lender that you trust, your own inspector that you trust. But ethically, we should be able to provide you with lenders that are good at what they do, and we should be able to provide you with inspectors that are good at what they do. We also help revise offers. We help write offers, and we help revise offers. The best part? Realtors really deal with the back and forth, the stress part, the part that you honestly don't want to be part of. We're the gap. We stand in the gap. We're in the middle. Pretty much, realtors, we are here to protect your pockets, protect your peace, and most importantly, protect your time. What do realtors do for sellers? Now, if you're selling your house, a realtor does a whole different type of strategy. A realtor will help you price your home accurately and not just go with a guess. They'll hire good professionals to take photos, videographic. They will sell your home to the nines. They will write your listings in ways to attract buyers. They will handle the open houses, the private showings. They will stage your home as well if staging is needed. Realtors will do the negotiation with the buyer's agent, and will walk you through all the paperwork, all the deadlines that is needed to get your house sold. When it comes to selling your house, it's not just putting a for you sale on your, you want to sell your house smart and not desperate. And that's where a realtor comes to play. Behind the scenes that you don't see posted on Instagram is there's calls being made at 9 p.m. There's calls being made at 1 a.m. Those things are not discussed in public. Realtors are doing a lot of double checking, a lot of cross references, making sure everything matches. Everything has to match. Everything that was said before the agreement, after the agreement, in the middle of the agreement, everything has to match. And we're doing this every day, realtors. Realtors are constantly checking paper, making sure nothing's changed, nothing slipped the crack, because one little change will delay closing, and we don't want that. Realtors try to hold a lot of emotions in when it comes to the buyers, when it comes to the sellers. They're trying to keep everything together so nothing doesn't fall apart. And of course, sometimes it's out of our control. It's out of our control. But the most part, realtors are trying to contain emotions on both sides. We have a thing, realtors are part therapists, part strategists, and part paperwork ninjas. So the main question is, do you always need a realtor? Okay, let's be real. So you don't need a realtor, okay? You don't. You can technically buy your home by yourself. You can technically sell your house by yourself. A realtor is not needed. But would I recommend? I wouldn't. I personally wouldn't. Especially if you want to avoid mistakes that will cost you money, that will cost you time, that will cost you legal fees. I definitely would get a realtor to be on your side to really help avoid those mistakes that will cost you, maybe not in the process, but later on. Maybe not in the beginning, maybe you don't see it, but later on it will come and bite you in the back. At the end of the day, it's just very important to invest. This is something major, selling or buying. It's one of the biggest things you'll probably ever do in your lifetime. So it's better to put your confidence in somebody you trust that can help you navigate a world that you're not really familiar with. So as you can see, realtors, we do a lot. We do more than what people assume we do. Help you buy smart. We help you sell for more. Most importantly, we help you avoid mistakes. And if that's the kind of support you need, hopefully this video helped you answer that. Maybe you do need a realtor. Maybe you started and you didn't need one, but in the finish line you need one. Maybe you need one for the whole process. The whole point is get somebody that is knowledgeable, that can definitely guide you, whether you're buying a home, selling a home, but that is on your side, okay? Realtors come with a team, not only with lenders, they come with lawyers. They work as a team to make sure the process runs smoothly for you. Again, thank you so much for coming to watch this video. If you learned anything, please thumbs up, share it with somebody. You guys, please subscribe if you haven't to the Joelle Your Agent community. I am here to help support anybody that's on a real estate journey, whether you want to become a real estate agent, whether you're buying, whether you're selling, any way that I can help, simplify information, just give it to you as is. This is what my channel is for, you guys. I am for you guys, not against you guys. So please come on, let's join this journey together. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.